This is a Disc Dog Dash. How fast the dog can run 50 yards and make a catch. The catch can be anywhere. The dog has to run between the 2 end zone cones at the 50-yard line. The handler can move anywhere on the field up to the 30-yard line.
Ready, set, go.
And that's a successful Disc Dog Dash. 5.95 seconds. Good job. Now she has 3 attempts to get the fastest time she can. Oh. Okay, this is another
Ready?
round of Disc Dog Dash.
Go.
Handler can be up to the 30-yard line.
Ready,